Hello everyone, I have here a very new and unique product. This is the 4-in-1 Presenter Mouse by Touchsens.
It is an optical mouse with presentation functions, all of which we will demonstrate for you. Usually when one gives a presentation, that person will have a presenter. And maybe that person will want to open a document or show something new, and the air mouse function is not user-friendly, and that person would want an optical mouse. This is why we have the 4-in-1 presenter, because it offers all of the functions of the optical mouse and the presenter all in one device. In a traditional optical mouse, you will have a resolution of about 1000 dpi's with an LED red light at the bottom. Whereas with the 4-in-1 presenter, it operates with an invisible infrared sensor operating at a resolution of 1600 dpi's, and we also have a much lower power consumption with this optical mouse. Most of the time with a traditional presenter, you will only have about 8 directions, but with the 4-in-1 presenter, we have 360 degrees as well as an acceleration function, which means the harder you press in a certain direction, the faster the cursor will move. Most of the time with a traditional presenter, you will only be offered 8 directions as well as a slow cursor speed. Also, other presenters may offer a gyro sensor, meaning you have full range of motion. However, that can be very difficult when you need a small, slow movement. Whereas with the 4-in-1 presenter, you are offered 360 degrees of movement as well as an acceleration function, meaning that the harder you press the force sensor pad in a certain direction, the faster the cursor will go. This is also very good for slow and steady movements. Usually with a traditional presenter, in a presentation you will be offered play, page down, page up, as well as a black screen. However, with the 4-in-1 presenter, at the bottom there are 6 buttons giving you the play, page down, page up, black screen, as well as white screen function, which is good for a darker room, as well as an escape key. However, if you want to operate from the front of the mouse by holding the middle button and the right click, will full screen your presentation, as well as put your mouse in the presentation mode. This means that your left click is now your page down, and your right click is your page up, and your middle button is now your command button.
Like a traditional presenter, this 4-in-1 presenter also provides you a red laser pointer by pressing the laser power button located at the bottom of the device.
This product also offers a free gift. By downloading and installing the software, you now have a magnifying function. So after the setup process, there will be a small dialog box. By clicking on the icon on the left, you are able to magnify your screen. You are also able to do this by switching the mouse into presentation mode, and then by double-clicking the middle button, or by double-clicking the play button located at the bottom of the mouse, you are able to magnify your screen. Finally, in the dialog box, by clicking on the preferences icon on the right, you can change the magnifier zoom factor, speed factor, the magnifier width, the magnifier height, as well as the shape of the magnifier from a circle to a rectangle. Also, you are able to move the magnifier anywhere on your screen with both the optical mouse and the air mouse. As another free gift, this product also offers you a flash cursor. This can be unlocked in the control panel under the mouse settings. This is useful because while you have a laser pointer, you can point to one thing on one screen. However, if you have a bigger presentation with more than one screen, you are able to emphasize one thing on all of your screens.